If you've ever dreamed of a tropical getaway where the thrill of cliff diving meets the taste explosion of jerk chicken, then Negril, Jamaica should be your next destination. Whether you're craving a picnic at 7 Mile Beach, cliff diving at Rick's Café, or indulging in delicious ackee and saltfish, we've got the ultimate guide for you. From top-rated spots for local and international cuisines to thrilling activities, we've gathered local recommendations and traveler-approved reviews to make your planning stress-free. In this video, we're diving into a 7-day adventure in Negril, Jamaica, that blends heart-pumping activities, unforgettable meals, and laid-back beach vibes, all backed by local recommendations and insider tips. Starting with Day 1, Arrival and Beach Relaxation. After landing at Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, let the stress melt away as you take in the scenic 1 hour and 15-minute drive along the Jamaican coastline. Better still, if you're feeling a little fancy or short on time, hop on a short flight to Negril Aerodrome. Once you arrive, it's time to check into your hotel and settle into the tropical rhythm. Whether you're craving luxury, charm, or a cozy spot with a view, Negril's got you covered. To enjoy the beach, you should go to Blue Skies Beach Resort, Rayon Hotel, or Beach House Condos Negril, all offering charming beachfronts and warm hospitality. However, if you're looking for something a bit more dramatic, Catch a Falling Star sits beautifully atop Negril's famous West End cliffs with beautiful views of the Caribbean Sea. If you're traveling solo or in the mood for a kid-free retreat, Hideaway at the Royalton Blue Waters or Ocean Cliff Hotel Negril Limited offer adult-only experiences perfect for relaxation. Now that you've settled in, it's time to slip into the tropical lifestyle. And what better place to start than 7 Mile Beach? The soothing sound of the waves and the refreshing feel of white sand under your feet are something you'll definitely want to experience. When hunger calls, head over to Rick's Café for some amazing food. If you've got more than enough time on your hands, you can visit Stingray City and the Cayman Turtle Center, one of the largest land-based tourist attractions, where you'll get to swim with turtles while surrounded by other beautiful water creatures. As the sun sets, make your way to Miss Lily's at the Skylark Hotel. The decor is basically 90s dance hall with a modern twist, and the food. Delicious is an understatement. Try the traditional ackee and saltfish breakfast platter, or go all in with the fish sandwich and a mango cheesecake that's so good it should come with a warning sign. Now, prepare for Day 2, full of adventure and cliffside thrills. This day starts with a hearty breakfast at Rick's Café, a legendary Negril hotspot that's equal parts thrill and chill. Perched on the cliffs of the West End, this longtime bar and restaurant is famous for Caribbean eats, strong cocktails, and its adrenaline-pumping cliff dive. Whether you're brave enough to take the plunge or just there to watch, the vibe is electric. After soaking up the energy at Rick's, take a 9-minute drive to the Negril Cliffs, where nature takes center stage. These towering limestone formations are a beauty to behold and a must-see for any tourist. These cliffs are so famous that they're even featured in the James Bond classic Thunderball. Afterward, it's time to relax by learning about one of Jamaica's most beloved traditions, rum making. Head out to the Appleton Estate for a guided rum tour that starts with a welcome drink. This iconic estate has been perfecting the art of rum making for over 265 years. As the day draws to an end, treat yourself to a romantic dinner at Ivan's Bar and Restaurant. Listen to the refreshing sound of the waves while you savor dishes like the buttery snapper fish, coconut shrimp, or a perfectly cooked tenderloin. Day 3, Waterfalls and Hidden Springs. Start your morning with a hearty breakfast at the Sugar Mill Restaurant. Whether you're craving crispy fried fish, juicy roast chicken, or something for the little ones, their menu has something for everyone. It's the perfect way to fuel up before a day of nature-soaked adventure. After enjoying your meal, your first stop is Mayfield Falls. This hidden gem is a dream for nature lovers, with 21 stunning cascades, cool nature pools, and trails lined with dense tropical greenery. You can take a dip in the pools formed by mini waterfalls, or just sit back and listen to the symphony of birds. Ready for something even more rejuvenating? Take an hour-long drive to the Blue Hole Mineral Spring. This spring-fed sinkhole drops 35 feet into glowing cobalt blue water, rich with natural minerals believed to have healing properties. You can take the plunge if you're feeling bold, or ease your way down a ladder and feel your stress just melt away. After soaking in the beauty of nature, head up to Zimbali's Mountain Cooking Studio in Canaan Mountain for a dining experience that hits every sense. This restaurant offers a 5-course farm-to-table meal that caters to all diets: vegetarian, vegan, pescatarian, and carnivore. You name it, each dish is artfully prepared using ingredients grown right on the land. Before your meal, take a guided tour of the farm, where you'll learn about local plants, herbs, and sustainable farming techniques. By the way, if you're enjoying this guide so far and want to support us, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now, prepare for day 4. Horseback trails, snorkeling, and island vibes. Enjoy a hearty breakfast at Skylark Negril Beach Resort, because you're going to need all the energy you can get. Next up, sign up for a truly unforgettable island experience with reggae horseback riding at the Skylark Resort. You'll be offered a 2-hour guided ride through serene mangroves and shaded coastal trails. By the time you step out on the beach, the Caribbean breeze and soft rhythm of hooves in the sand will have you feeling completely at peace. Once you're done, head over to Rock House Restaurant for lunch with beautiful views of the ocean front. Whether you're sipping on fresh coconut water or enjoying their grilled seafood platter. After enjoying your meal, it's time to take a dip beneath the waves with a snorkeling or scuba diving session at Moon Beach, where you'll be treated to the wonderful sight of coral gardens and tropical fish underwater. But wait, your day's not over yet. At around 3 p.m., visit YS Falls, a stunning multi-tiered waterfall with swimming pools and a lush jungle setting. End your day at Pushcart Jerk Center and Rum Bar, where the sweet aroma of jerk chicken fills the air. Order the steamed fish with okra, or better still, sample the spicy jerk pork, and don't even think about leaving without a slice of their famous rum cake. And now, on day 5, explore Jamaica's rich history. Start your day with a cultural tribute by visiting the Peter Tosh Monument, a must-see for reggae enthusiasts. This monument was built in honor of Peter Tosh, a member of the Wailers alongside reggae legends Bob Marley and Bunny Wailer. It offers a glimpse into the life and legacy of a rebel, a philosopher, and a Jamaican icon. For lunch, head to Best in the West, a laid-back spot famous for its bold flavors. Try their award-winning jerk chicken, melt-in-your-mouth grilled lobster, or vibrant vegan dishes packed with island spices. After enjoying your lunch, you'll want to keep the cultural vibe going by hopping aboard a One Love bus bar crawl. It's not just about good vibes, cold drinks, and unforgettable stories. It's also one of the top activities done by tourists. This reggae-themed moving party picks you up around 3 p.m. and whisks you around to hidden bars, charming local joints, and sunset spots you'd never find on your own. Expect laughter, dancing, and maybe a few surprise performances. As the evening sets in, make your way to Nyam Diner, where the atmosphere is as unforgettable as the food. Watch as they carry fresh lobsters like a coin at a penny store and grill them up with garlic butter and love. Now it's time for day 6, souvenir shopping and rum tasting. Your day starts with a beachside breakfast in Lavendum at Sharella Inn. Enjoy a simple yet satisfying breakfast of fresh fruit juice, toast with butter or jam, or maybe a classic cheese omelette with a hot cup of cocoa tea or coffee. Craving something more hearty? They've got grilled chicken, fish, fresh baked bread, pizzas, and vegetarian-friendly pastas and salads. After breakfast, head to the Negril craft market and seaside gift shop, where handmade treasures and souvenirs line the stalls. Whether you're looking for a locally woven baskets, island spices, or dazzling jewelry, these spots are perfect for picking up a few choice gifts. On your way back to your hotel, wind down with a filling dinner at the Blue Maho restaurant. Treat yourself to their pan-fried snapper fillet, or whatever catches your eye from the menu, while enjoying the sunset. And for dessert, don't skip the strawberry ice cream. It's homemade and tastes like heaven. Next up, on day 7, chill and reflect before departure. Your final day in Negril calls for something peaceful and a little bit magical. Start your morning with a boat ride out to Booby Cay Island, a serene little escape just off the coast of 7 Mile Beach. This island is one of the best places to go snorkeling. Booby Cay is surrounded by crystal clear waters, alive with tropical fish, colorful coral, and sea urchins. Not into snorkeling today? No worries. Just kick back under the shade of a tree, watch the waves roll in, and let the sun kiss your skin. When hunger strikes, you're in luck. The beachside grills set up by the locals serve some of the freshest seafood you'll ever taste. From grilled lobster to buttery crayfish and flaky fish seasoned to perfection. It's a simple, authentic culinary experience that feels like a farewell gift from Jamaica itself. Once you're back on the mainland, it's time to head toward the airport. Sun-kissed, feeling more fulfilled, and with a heart full of memories. As your unforgettable journey through Negril comes to an end, remember that the memories you've made here are just the beginning. Whether it's the thrill of cliff diving, the taste of authentic jerk chicken, or the serene moments on the beach, Negril offers experiences that stay with you long after you leave. So, let these moments inspire your next adventure, and always remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. If Negril is now at the top of your travel list, we'd love to hear from you. Which activity or spot are you most excited to try? Cliff diving at Rick's Café, exploring waterfalls, or indulging in some mouthwatering jerk chicken? And if you've already visited Negril, what was your favorite part of the trip? Share your experience with us in the comments below. Check out this next video in our series as we explore the Caribbean together, 7-day travel itinerary, Kingston, Jamaica. Kingston, where the rhythm of reggae meets the vibrant streets, and every corner is a new adventure waiting to happen. If you enjoyed this guide and want to explore more incredible destinations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an adventure. We've got more tropical escapes coming your way, so stay tuned. This is Caribbean Focus Travel, and we'll see you in the next video.